All right, let's get a check of your weather. It's the first day of spring break for a lot of people, Trent. And, you know, typically you think of spring break, maybe getting out on the boat. I don't know if, I mean, today's an okay day. Just grab a jacket because it might be a little breezy out there.
Yeah, there is a small craft caution because of the breeze, so do take it easy out there until these winds relax. And that's going to happen tomorrow and later on in the week. So if you can wait, there are better days ahead in the 7-day. Right now, the radar is really quiet across Southwest with all the showers over on the other coast. The last real rain we saw in our viewing area was on the south side of the lake early this morning, and now things really beginning to clear out. Yesterday, we talked about the need for rainfall, and the Sunday was our highest chance. Unfortunately, it just wasn't a lot. The upper level dynamics, a lot of the moisture outran the system, so we picked up less than 1/10 of an inch there for Fort Myers and Naples. Record on the date back in 1998 was a little over 2.5 inches. How much rain do we need? Well, we're about 4 inches behind in Fort Myers month to date, 1.12. You can see Naples 3.25 behind. And as we go through the next couple of days, we're going to watch our drought monitor. We get an update on Thursday. And the reason it'll be interesting to see that is not only are we going to stay dry, we're going to crank up the heat. Those two combinations there really dries the soil out. Now today, we're going to be in the mid-70s later on, but right now we are some 5-10 degrees cooler than where we've been the last couple of days as the wind is out of the north, and it's going to continue to be rather breezy. We have gusts of 20 in Ochapi, Venice, and 22 in Naples, and that's going to be the case here throughout the day. You see the wind right there, 10 to 15 miles per hour with the higher gust, so it is going to be a cool one. Our reading is 75, and it's going to feel even chillier outside due to the wind. Sunset time comes there at 7:39. Record on this date is 90. That goes back to 2020. And as you look at our temperatures, it is really cold across the deep south. We had 20s on the map for Jackson and Atlanta, and that cold air made it in the Panhandle, where Jacksonville was in the 30s this morning as well. Ridge of high pressure is going to continue to push this front out, and as it does so, our wind stays out of the north here today. Matter of fact, as we go through the evening hours, it's clear. Tonight will be chilly once again due to the north breeze, but tomorrow we start a warming pattern. And that's going to help us out. Get back in the 80s, feel more like spring, which officially starts today, by the way, at 5:24 this evening. And then by Wednesday, we're talking about the possibility of upper 80s. Here's the reason why. Cold air exits, the ridge builds back in, and you can see the warmer temperatures arriving later on in the week. Matter of fact, I don't say warm, let's just say it. It's hot. Look at these numbers. Upper 80s near 90 starting on Thursday. We could hit the 90-degree mark there for a couple of days. Overnight lows go from the 50s into the mid to upper 60s at the time we get towards the weekend.